Progress, not perfection.
Yeah, we don't do perfection here. We do shit up 3 or 4 times, then decide that the video sucks, and do 3 more times, and then now it's hot as balls out.
Yes.
Could have done this last week, but instead I didn't like it. This is how many times?
3, 4?
3, I think 3. She might be, it's 3 times. 3 times. And all we're doing is we're gonna show you guys, I gotta replace this because this broke. I'll show you right now.
Okay.
And it broke while we were fishing, while I was fishing. So I had to like raw dog the handle, okay? And that sucks a bunch to do that, especially when it's wet and stuff. It's just all bad. So since the Lowrance part lasted 2 years, we're gonna go with the TH Marine. Got to put all this shit on. Yeah, I'll show you a better version of it right now. Here we go.
Okay. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Need a new handle. It's always good.
All right, so here's the cool part about Lowrance. This stuff, I don't need any of this. I take that back. I do need some. I need this little guy. I need one of these Allen wrenches. I need blue lock thread, Loctite for the 3rd time, apparently. And the rest of this stuff, it's like, there's some things there. I don't know what that's all about. There's some rubber pieces. Those are probably pretty useful somewhere, but I don't give a shit. And you got these things. It's like rubber, you know, neck, protect your neck kind of situation for somebody. Here's the deal. If you don't have a Lowrance trolling motor, I'm sure you're going to need all this stuff because the other like motor guide and all these, they don't have steel threaded. They've got like shoelace cord. Why would you do that? It's 1975. Like we have the technology. So this is a coated red, you know, stranded metal wire. It's awesome. It is, however, just like this, except red, and I don't really like red. So that's my backup, and we're just gonna put this on. Super simple. Here we go though. Let's just say you don't have, let's just say that you didn't break this off because you manhandled it, and you ripped, you know, this piece through this piece, which is really hard to do, by the way. Actually, it's this piece. It's already on there, see? I don't know how that happens, but it did. So let's just say, you're like, Paul, what if I just want to do like some general like maintenance? What if I just want to put this on as an upgrade? Like I don't want to rip my trolling motor handle off while I'm fishing. I would much rather just like take it off in a like a nice manner, whatever you want to call that, you know, like you want to be a little bit less aggressive about it. You want to do some preventative maintenance. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Lowrance, super easy. I don't know / don't care about the rest of them. So here we go. You got to like, there's these little holes right here. You got to use the right tool. This is clearly not it. This is a Torx that I'm probably going to break in half. But don't worry, I got a knife back here, and that should work pretty much for everything, I would think. So you got to push down like that, and like that, and this thing comes apart. And then you would take this off, because you would slide that through, right? You would take this off, you'd take that sucker off, and then bam. So that's where we're at. I already did that, as you saw in the video, because that's how I roll. I just rip stuff apart. Hey, I've had it happen in a tournament. The active target, that thing came off in a tournament, just dangling around. We had to do zip ties and duct tape. It worked too. Okay, so you rip that off, throw that away, that's useless. Put the TH Marine G-Force handle silver thing on. That's a
Technical?
technical term, yeah. And then you put blue Loctite on for the third time. Way too much, which I do all the time. Boom and boom. Get a little more than the tip in.
That's what she said.
See? That's what she said. She said it. And then you thread this back in. You need to thread it in enough that it's flush with the side of the metal silver thingy. Again, technical deal.
Obviously.
Yeah. And then you wipe the thread lock on the carpet of the $60,000 Ranger.
It's good for it.
It's good for it. Builds character and whatnot. Then you probably break that off. Okay. Can I have the rag? The rag, thanks. Thank you. Okay. Then you, yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay. So, I just demonstrated how you do that. Now I got to take it back off because my dumb ass skipped a step. It is hot as balls out here, if that's a term.
It is.
I don't understand where it comes from. Our balls aren't all hot all the time. They're not. They are if you wear tighty whities, which I do not. I haven't used those since I was 7 years old. Maybe 8. All right, let's try that again. I also didn't tell you how to do this, but there's this little hole, and you slide the deal through the hole, very technical term, whoop, right here. Leave yourself enough slack. And you do the same thing I did a minute and 38 seconds ago or something. Tighten these suckers down. Again, oop, yep, that's stripped. Never gonna get that off, perfect. And it's flush. That's what you want. You don't want anything on either side of those Allen screws. They need to be all the way in there. All right. Then you pull this down. There's a way it slides in one way. Pull tight. Good to go, man. Look at that. Then I put this on this little cap, cute little cap they give you, and make it look like it's not there, even though you know it is. I've taken it off so many times it's all chewed up. Push that down. And you got yourself a brand new TH Marine G-Force red handle with a stock cable, and that's it. That's all you do.
Woo.
It's that simple. Super easy. Look, this thing's tore up, man. It's garbage. But it's also factory, so what do you expect? I mean, that's why they make these things. This thing will last another 2, maybe 3 years, and we'll break this sumbitch off and put another one on. I actually would have rather had, they come in black also, but they didn't have any in stock on Amazon 2-day, which doesn't make any sense because I've had it for 2 weeks. So there's that, I guess, I mean, hey. So I'm going to put this in as a backup because honestly, you just never know. You never know. I mean, in a pinch, this thing will work. So we'll just grabbing it like a man and pulling it like that. Cody has sensitive hands, so I don't want him to hurt his hands. You guys would know that if you've been watching the channel, because he has to buy gloves because he can't lip, bass because they've got teeth. And what my baby wants, my baby gets. So, not everything we do is about fishing. Okay. Sometimes it's about maintenance. Sometimes it's about putting stuff on because we broke shit. It happens. It's a boat. Boats break all the time. Good idea to keep these on hand. Probably put them in your, if you guys got some sort of tool sack on a boat, put them in there. You're going to need them. Definitely. And, I don't know. Like the video if you like the video. Smash it if you want. Don't smash the video. Smash the like button on the video on your phone. You can't do it on your TV. You can do it on a computer if you watch it on a computer. I don't know who does that anymore. But, whatever. Most people watch it on their phone. If that's the case, smash that little thummy. The one that goes up, though, not the one that goes down. That one, no bueno. You got to go that way. That way with the thumb. You got to hit that. You got to hit that little bell, little ding, and then we can be, you know, on your phone all the time. We'll just ring you every time we have a new video, which, if you didn't already know, is every Saturday. So, you know, but just do it anyway. And then subscribe if you want to subscribe. Look, we do fun stuff here. We fish. We show you guys how to do, you know, fishing things, if that's a thing. I don't know. Carl would like it, the narwhal. He really appreciates this. I'm not even asking. Carl's asking. Carl wants you guys to subscribe. There's some cool stuff coming. We're like 3 months away from moving the entire way across the country. All the way across. That is not the right direction. Actually, it's like behind me. It's like that way. Okay? That is Northern California. You guys wouldn't know that because I haven't told you like directionally where we're at. So, in any case, subscribe. We're having fun. Bring it out of the heat. It's 90 degrees. It's probably 180 in this fine garage that we have going on here. And Jess is sweating. So, I don't know. I am too, actually. That's why I got water. She forgot her water. Did you forget your water?
I didn't. No, it's right here.
Oh, she's got her water. We can keep going. We're not going to go. Have a good day. Go fishing with your family. Go fishing with your friends. Come fishing with me. But you got to bring your own boat. Because I'm a big dude. I can only put one person on the front. We're out of here. See ya.